first of all, congratulations on winning our award 40 under 40. So my first question is, what this award means to you?
Thank you so much. First of all, my huge thank you to Business World Group for selecting me for 40 under 40. I think this award means a validation for me, the work that we have been doing since years. So, we have just crossed the formative years where everybody is trying to explore themselves, everybody is trying to establish themselves. We are at that, career stage, at personal growth as well as professional growth. I think this is the right time where this award validates the work that we have been doing and gives us the credibility and accountability that okay, fine, we are going in the right direction, and what we are doing is actually changing lives, is meaningful to the world, and is actually changing and driving the business outcomes.
Okay. So my second question is, what are your company's internal goals and strategies to pursue growth?
So I work for a company called Plan International. It's an international not-for-profit organization of civil society bodies, and especially we are here. I'm representing such a sector which is very unheard of. The contribution that we are making toward the society to making people life better is very significant. We are living in a world where collaboration is the word, partnership is the word, where if we do not collaborate, we are going to fall just vertically. So this is a world where public private partnership, where we are supporting government, also government is supporting us, we are supporting private organization, organization is giving us back. So the entire collaborative world and everything, our organization especially stand for Girl Child Right. We are there in 72 plus countries, and we are ensuring that every girl is educated, every girl is healthy, every girl is empowered, and every girl is basically every girl is made in has a future which is sustainable, which is healthy, and which is empowering.
My next question is, what is your outlook on the marketing sector in the upcoming time?
I think this is the place to be. I think I was having a conversation with one of my colleague downstairs, and why not being a marketeer? This is the world, this is the time where Indian economy is boosting, and there are ways and means that you can influence people. The influencers are coming, Gen Z, Gen Alpha. Earlier marketing approaches never had to be, it was only product oriented or sometimes consumers oriented. But now even the consumers are divided into millennials, Gen Z, Gen Alpha. And the way to approach every sector is very different. Now, especially if you talk about youth of India, it's not a passive recipient of a product. It is an active participation. In terms of, we live in a world where social media plays a huge part, and the strategies of marketing have not just gone into advertising in terms of like a 4-inch TV and everything, but also towards the social media. So I think this is the best time to be a marketeer, and that's it.
So at last, I want you to give just some advices for young people, those who are coming in marketing or in marketing.
I think my advice would be that the future is limitless. There is no horizon. I think we definitely can see that there is a horizon where sea and land reaches, but you can never reach to it, right? So the more you think about it, the more you take steps toward it, you will realize that I have accomplished this today, but there are multiple things to accomplish more. And the more you take a step forward, you will realize that this is just the beginning. The future is endless and limitless.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.